This is a 2008 Geometry SOL. Question number 23. From a point 12 feet from the base of the building, the angle of elevation from the ground to the top of the building is 70 degrees, which is closest to the height of the building. Now, so this piece right here, from a point 12 feet from the base of the building, alright, so that'll be me over here, hanging out 12 feet away from the base of the building. Now, the part that, next piece of information I'm going to take a look at is right here where it says the angle of elevation is 70 degrees. So that spot is actually going to be located right here where I've got this 70 degrees. So that spot is taken care of. Now, which is closest to the height of the building? Well, the height of the building, I don't know what that is, but the height is going to be this piece right in here. That's going to be how tall the building is. Now, I don't know how tall that is, so I'm just going to label that as a variable x. So you've got me 12 feet away from the building trying to figure out how tall this building is. And I know I'm 12 feet away and there's an angle of 70 degrees from me to the top of the building. So what I'm going to do here is actually look back at some of my trig ratios. So, ka, toa. Now, one of those three trig ratios will allow me to solve this problem. The one that I want to take a look at is based on where 70 degrees is, what are the relationships between the 12 feet and the x? Now, 12 feet is adjacent to 70 degrees. Now, the side x is actually going to be opposite 70 degrees. So if I take a look at my three possible trig ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent, the one that deals with opposite and adjacent is going to be my tangent function. So I'm going to use that to help me solve this problem. So all I'm going to do is say, okay, tangent is 70 degrees, is going to be opposite, well, I don't know that, so that's x, and adjacent is 12. From here, to solve for x, I could multiply both sides by 12, and then the next thing I'll do is I'll make the substitution for tangent of 70 degrees. In its place, I'm going to go ahead and put in this piece right here, 2.75. And that's going to be 33 when I multiply those two together. So which is closest to the height of the building? The correct choice is choice B, 33 feet.